Welcome to Wall Street Confidential. Jim Cramer's adding some oil stock to his Action Alerts Plus portfolio. ConocoPhillips,
Yeah.
Jim, why?
Look, first of all, I think that we are at a major inflection point with oil and gas. The reason I say that is because we've fallen from 148 down to 33, 34. It is inconceivable to me that we go to the 20s, and the reason why that is because the last time we were in the 20s, we had much more cheap oil that we could still find. We are definitely bad on the demand side. There is no doubt about it. We are using far less oil and gasoline than we have before. But there's still a component of heating oil, there's still a component of driving, and there's still a component of finding. And we are not finding enough oil to replace. Mm-hmm. So the idea that we could be in the 20s for long presumes that we are going to keep finding oil. And I think or that we're going to have some switch thing into coal, which is not right. I believe that what will happen here is that we will have a natural gas floor, maybe 3, 4. We will have oil floor around 30, and we have a 4% yield for Conoco, which means you start buying it now, maybe it goes to 5%. It's now what I call an accidental high yielder. It has a great refining business. Refining is coming back because oil's come down a lot, but gasoline went up 25 cents. And it is the most levered to natural gas of many of the integrated. Mm-hmm. So it's the cheapest by far of the integrated. It sells about 6 times earnings. It had what was widely thought to be, and going into it, a disappointing meeting on Friday. The meeting is complete disappointment, and then the stock gets hit again. No, you have to buy these. I also want to add BP at the 40-41 level because of the dividend. If you're underweighted in oil, which you should have been all the way down, and you still think that oil is going to go to the 20s, what I would warn you is that the stocks are pricing the 20s, and they're pricing natural gas at 4. So when they get there, I think the stocks go higher, not lower, if they get there at all.
That's the action. Thanks so much, Jim Cramer. Get in on the action with Jim. Email action@thestreet.com to learn how to get a free trial membership to the actionalertsplus.com portfolio. Stay tuned.